In all my years of attending product events, Product Weekend Retreat stands out for the learning it delivers. You'll be with a high caliber peer group immersed in an environment of psychological safety.
We aim to make this retreat not just about learning. We tied it into the productized conference experience to spark some real transformation.
Drawing from radical product thinking, we ensure that theory meets real-world practice.
And your journey extends beyond the retreat.
Starting with a pre-event assessment and including 2 one-on-one coaching sessions to anchor your learnings and to follow up with your action plans.
It's not just a retreat or a 5-day workshop. It's truly a comprehensive journey that helps you become a visionary product leader.
Embrace this unique blend of professional development, product learning, peer networking and accountability, together with a curated group of just 20 international product leaders.
It's a transformational experience where you bring your career and product-related challenges and leave with an action plan for moving forward and boosting your career.
Join us to level up as a product leader and scale your thinking across your team and your organization.